Have you all planted sweet potatoes? Let me know in the comments if you have and what kind of success you've had with planting sweet potatoes. Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today we are planting some sweet potato plants. I got a whole bunch of slips from the extension office and they are ready to go into the ground. So Junior is down there right now tilling it up, getting it ready so that we can just go in and stick the slips right in the ground. Nothing special, nothing fancy that you have to do with them, just bury them. So that's what we're gonna do. We're expecting to get some rain in the next few days, so that will really help soak it in there and hopefully help them root really well. All right, friends, so these are the sweet potato slips that I got from the extension office. And as you can see, there are no roots on these slips. So I was really concerned about that, and I had to ask, what do I do? Do I need to soak them in water, wait till they grow roots, and then take them? He said no. This is the new thing that they are doing. The farmers that harvest all the sweet potato slips, they are going through and they are just cutting the tops off where the sweet potato slips are and shipping them out that way. This way it cuts back on any contaminants that they might have in their soil, so that when we put them in our soil, we're not taking those same contaminants and putting them in our soil. This way there are no contaminants with your slips. And these will root almost immediately as soon as you put them into the ground. You get a good rain and they'll start rooting and take off with no problem. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. The boys are done with tilling up that garden space. So my husband's gonna dig the holes and we're gonna drop these in and mound them up and call it a day. So let's get started. That wasn't as hard as it looked like it would be. We got it all tilled up and they went ahead and put all the slips down into the ground and then mounded them up. So fingers crossed, this works out good. This is my first time doing sweet potatoes, so we will see. Willing to try everything. While we were over here, we also had the boys help us with weeding out all of the asparagus bed. Most of this is mulched, so the weeds are very minimal that are coming through. Also my rhubarb, I have 4 rhubarb plants that are doing really, really well. I was concerned that they weren't gonna make it, but they did. All right, friends, so we are done. It's getting hot, so we're gonna head inside and relax. Thanks for stopping by the homestead with me, friends. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.